Okay, so I've just come out and I'm going to film one of these bags of all my charms. So I thought I'd show you my outfit at the same time. It's actually too warm to be wearing this big jacket, but I'm going to film the charms and I'll show you my outfit without the jacket too in the sun. It is so nice out today, the weather so pretty and just gets me so excited for summer. Yay! Mood just changes so much when it's sunny out. Okay, so it's been quite a while since I filmed the last clip, but I wanted to give you an update of where I am with the new collection. I'm kind of at the final stage of it, hopefully, so I will show you how much I have done. So here is most of the collection. I've started putting stuff here that is finished and then stuff in here that needs to be like extra finished. I do need to add a label to this, but this is so cute. It's like a upcycled t-shirt with some end on it, and then I did these shooting stars on it. We've got these shorts that match a jacket here, bubble kind of puff skirt, and then some lace shorts, some lace skirts. I think you've seen the finished star bags. I'll go through everything in like great detail I think at another stage, but right now what I'm doing is I'm finishing this jacket. Yeah, I'm finishing this jacket I'm working on. I need to add like little ties to the front of it, so that is what I'm about to do. So I have cut out my strips for the ties. There's going to be 5 ties down. I'm going to have 5 ties, I think, down the length, so I need 10 strips, 5 for each side. So I've just cut them out now and I'm going to get them done. Okay, that took so long. I have them all done now. I just need to iron them out straight. Okay, now they're all ironed. I'm going to cut them all to the same length and then we're going to put them on the jacket. So it's been a while. We haven't caught up in a while, but I thought I would update you. I'm nearly at the end of the summer collection prep. Yes, so here is an update on where I am. I made this dress, which I probably have not shown you yet. You see it in the mirror. It's got big puff sleeves. Actually, let me put you... Yeah, so I made this dress. It's got a tiered bottom. It's got puff sleeves. And now I'm just finishing a collar. I need to do that side, but a collar to match it. So I've got that one. I made this lace dress, which I probably haven't shown you. And I made this lace dress, which is one of my favourites. So that is 3. And then everything else finished. So I'm going to finish this collar today. And then I have enough of that fabric left that I might do like a little skirt, and then we're pretty much done then. So it's Wednesday today. I've got a shoot on Sunday, so I've got today, tomorrow and Friday to finish up anything that needs to be finished, which is fine. I'll get it all done in that time. Yeah, and then I have some other pieces like these kind of long fun shorts that I made. I might add some kind of cute pockets or like paneling to the front of them. I should probably do that. I made this skirt at the start, which I'm not really mad about. It's got like the bow to the side. It's kind of cute, I suppose. There. Yeah, it's got the big bow. Maybe it is cute and I'm just thinking that it's not. Yeah, I've got this skirt as well with a big bow. And then what I started off with originally, which is this padded waistcoat, but that really needs some altering done, which maybe I might get around to do, like the neckline. I don't know if you can see, I put a pin in here. The neckline needs to come down to there and down to here where that pin is at the front, because it just sits very strange. But hopefully I'll get this piece finished too. So yeah, lots to do, lots to finish, but we've got some time. So I'm gonna get the collar done today, and then maybe the panel on the shorts done today as well. So I will catch back up with you in a while. So it's Friday today, and I've done a really bad job of kind of keeping on top of videoing everything that's going on, but I just got so busy. I've got a shoot on Sunday, so I'm going to either include that in this video, or else, depending on how long this is, it might be a separate video for my summer collection. I've just spent today doing all the last finishing touches, getting everything ready. Yeah, so the next time you see me, I will be ready to shoot the collection. So I've just arrived in Bray, and it is the day of the shoot. Such nice weather. I'm just gonna walk up to the shop. I don't know if I've said, but I'm shooting in my friend's shop, Finders Keepers, because they have a good kind of photo shoot setup. So yeah, shooting the new collection. And I think I've got around an hour and a half before everyone else arrives, so I'm gonna go in and get everything ready to go. My friend who's photographing everything, he came and collected all the outfits and everything yesterday, so that's in the shop and I just need to organize it all. But I'll do my best to shoot as much as I can today, if I remember to pick up the camera, and yeah, hopefully it goes all very well. Have arrived. Okay, so I've just set up each of the outfits.
I do. Yeah, I do. I think so, yeah.
So this is our setup. We've got the big backdrop. So exciting. And here is the collection ready to shoot. I'm warming you up so you're ready to go.
Hi, I'm Kira. We are shooting Ashley Duffy's new 2024 summer collection today. My name is Oyen, and I'm here shooting for Ashley Duffy's summer 2024 collection. Hi there, my name is Ella, and I'm here shooting for Ashley Duffy's spring summer 2024.
Hi, I'm Eloise, and I'm shooting Aisling Duffy Spring Summer 2024.